Welcome to Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn how to use mid formula, how to use substitute formula, and after watching this tutorial, you'll be able to use those formulas quickly. Let me show you how. In this simple example, I have two cells which contains numeric and text as well. And if I want to pick the numeric from the middle of the cell, so I will use mid formula. It start with is equal to MID. Press tab. First one is text, which is the cell reference. Click on this one and then comma. Second one is start number, the position from where the formula will pick the numeric. So its position is number 4 because A, B, C is up to number 3 and 2 is starting from number 4. So I will type number 4 and comma. Next thing is how many characters or numeric the formula should pick. So I want to pick only 3 numeric and then so I will type 3, then close a bracket, press enter. Now you can see it has picked 251 from this cell which contains text and numeric as well. So if I want to copy for the following cell, I will just drag from the bottom when the plus sign appear and it will pick the numeric from this cell as well. Let's move on to the next formula, which is substitute formula. Formula is to replace the any alphabet with some other alphabet. For example, if I want to replace the alphabet T with some other alphabet, so I will use substitute formula. Start with is equal to SUBS. This is substitute, press tab. The first one is cell reference, click on this one, then comma all tags. So what is the specific alphabet you want to replace? I want to replace T, T in quotation, comma, and I want to replace the T with word M. So I will type M within the quotation marks, close of bracket, press enter. So now you can see this word instead of T, the T is replaced by the alphabet M. So if I want to copy for rest of the cell as well, I will just drag from the bottom and it will apply on this cell as well. So this is how you can use mid formula and substitute formula. Hit the like button if you like this video.